Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to check and repair both tube and tubeless tire puncture. By the end of this video, you will be able to dismantle the tire and remove the tube, locate the puncture, apply patching cement on the puncture spot and assemble and inspect the tire and the tube. Let us look at the required tools, equipment and materials. Trainees toolkit 1, tire lever 1, hammer 16 pounds, wood cut or rasp cut file 1, water tube with water, compressor 1, pressure gauge 1, vulcanizing machine 1, tire setter 1, vulcanizing paste and patch as required, soap oil as required, waste cloth as required, and chalk powder as required. Check the valve core of the tire with soap water. If you notice any bubbles, then remove and replace the valve core. Next, check for the puncture in the tube assembly and get ready to dismantle the wheel. Check the opposite wheels using a wooden stock. Using a sledgehammer, tap the tire portion that is adjacent to the rim. Insert the tire lever in between the disc and beading of the tire and force it out to remove. Before removing the wheel, ensure that the wheel is well balanced on a jockey. Remove the tire nuts using appropriate tools. Load the tube with compressed air. Inspect the puncture spot with soap water and chalk powder. Mark the punctured spot using a marking device so that it is easily visible. If the tire is tubeless, then continue the above procedure without removing the tire assembly. After locating the puncture spot, reload the tube into the tire without air. Apply puncture cement or paste on the puncture spot. Place the patch on the puncture spot. Vulcanize the patched area using a vulcanizing machine. Once it is cool, reload the tube with compressed air and inspect the air leak with soap water. Refill air and assemble the tire. If the tire is tubeless, locate the puncture spot and dismantle the tire and rim assembly. Inspect the inner side of the tire assembly. Using a scuffing tool, rough the inner surface of the tire around the punctured area. If the punctured area is small, apply cement patch, and if it is larger in size, then cover with a patch. Apply pressure on the patch so that it sets properly. Deinstall the tire and rim. Ensure that the core valve is seated properly. After setting the rim assembly, hold the tire with compressed air. Inspect the puncture spot using soap water. Finally, assemble the tire set onto the vehicle. In this video, we have learned to dismantle the tire and remove the tube, locate the puncture, apply patching cement on the puncture spot, assemble and inspect the tire and the tube. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.